Starting this one off with a bit of bad news, guys. Recently, I lost my laptop, and with it, I lost about 200 gig or about 4 videos of content. I wasn't able to recover any of the footage. However, I did find some footage on one of my GoPros. This video is of me putting on a fairing coat of gel coat on the stern. I did shoot this video with my big camera, but I lost the footage off my big camera. So what you're going to see is literally just footage from the GoPro, but you'll see the big camera in the video of me recording basically everything I did. I was not able to recover any footage from the big camera. I'll try to keep this video short as there's not much to see other than bad camera angles and the GoPro's charging brick. What I'm doing here is giving the stern a wipe down with acetone. I actually did this twice with 2 different cloths just to make sure the surface is clean before I put down gel coat. Content we missed out on leading up to this point was basically me fairing the inside of the transom twice, repairing the drain and the drain canal. Also, we missed out on me fixing a hole in the gunnel, where I basically did a video showing you how I patch and repair the holes that I find throughout the boat. I'm still preparing to install the drain tube, but we'll get to that in another video. I also know of at least 4 other holes in the boat that needs to be patched. Well, under the boat that needs to be patched. So we'll also get a chance to revisit that content. Usually I vacuum before and after I wipe down with acetone, just to make sure I get all of the debris off of the surface. I tried to keep the footage as raw as possible, seeing as though it's only from one angle. I just cut out things like me messing with the camera, walking for supplies, and basically just me blanking out in the hot sun. I mixed up about 5 ounces of gel coat, got it catalyzed, gave it a minute, and then just started painting it on. The goal was to get as much of the gel coat on as possible and get it on as thick as possible. This layer will be sacrificial, so I'm just going to sand most of it off. I'm just using it to fill in small cracks and valleys that the naked eye can't see, and basically just level the surface. It's gel coat on gel coat, so I love when it comes time to paint. I can literally just turn off my brain and just let the brush do all the work. The only thing I have to worry about is catching the runs. No, I didn't upload a video of me painting a boat for 30 minutes. There's nothing different from the first brush stroke to the last brush stroke. Let's just skip all the way to the end. And voila, just like that, I'm 30 to 40 minutes older, and the stern is now white. So this is what the transom looks like now. You can see I haven't touched it in a while. It's starting to collect dirt, and the weeds around it is starting to grow up. Like I said, this layer of gel coat is a sacrificial layer, and it's just there as a tool to help me fair the stern or the inside on the transom. What I'll be doing is sanding away most of this and hopefully just leaving what filled the gaps and the little small cracks. Um, Once that's done, I'll go through the process of putting on the guide coat and sanding the surface just to find my highs and lows, dips and cracks. Once that's done, then we'll put another layer on it, another gel coat layer on it, and we'll leave that as is and move on to the next part of the boat. It was defeating to lose that amount of content. So I took a break from the Boston Whaler and started to go through my maintenance list with the Rambo to get it ready for the summer. So you'll see videos pop up of the Rambo, me doing some work on the Rambo, and then you'll see the continuation of the Boston Whaler. Going through the whole process, I was glad to see that persons were still watching videos. I got a few subscribers, so that carried me through that whole um sad time. But I'm back at it, and you should see those videos in short order. Until the next video, guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.